Airbnb units. Airbnb remodel. Airbnbs are becoming really popular right now. You have homeowners who rent their property for a weekend, a week, months, for high dollar, desirable locations just like this beach front property, unless the Airbnb shower looks like this. All right, let's turn the fan off. Here is the hall bath. Upstairs. We're gonna protect this with Detra. We have a standard River Rock bathroom floor. Our client wants to keep the cabinet. We will keep the cabinet intact. Rip out the top, the mirror. We will be installing a new white shaker top undermount sink. So here is the old fiberglass insert. We will be ripping this out, removing this soffit here. This will be a conversion tub to walk-in full Latacrete shower system. Pan curb Latacrete hydroband board on the walls, 100% waterproof with a Subway ceramic install. Let's get right to it, rip this out. This house is valued at $2.5 million. How interesting. You see a standard one-piece fiberglass insert in a custom beach home. This is what's behind the mirror. Fascinating. $2.5 million home. Okay guys, demo is complete. Took about less than 3 hours. 78 inches by 36 inches. Very large shower. Let's show you what we're going to be working with and what we're going to start prepping and waterproofing. Vanities removed. This was behind the mirror. Nice retro wallpaper. No drywall there. And here is our large 78-inch shower. Soffit's been deleted. This soffit has been deleted. Okay, here we go on our way to pick up our Latacrete kits and board and thin set. We have 4x8 Latacrete board going up. Today will be board, our dry pack, and that's pretty much it. We will install a couple of vent fans to absorb some time, and then tomorrow we will waterproof everything, frame and install the niche, and then the following day we will do a flood test on this large shower. So here we go. Let's get right to it. Load the pallet up on the back of the truck and get to the site. Have our wet shim boards up. I just now installed our curb, proper pitch and slope down towards the drain. Now I simply set my drain body. We're going to install the dry pack at about 1.5 inches, 1 5/8 from the lip of this drain body. So let's cut the ABS, glue it, and then mix up some dry pack. Here we go. All right, here we go, guys. Mixing up our dry pack using 209 floor mortar by Laticrete. This is a pre-blended, pre-mixed, ready to go, using our double bucket method so that we don't have a bunch of dry pack flying out of there when we use our auger bit here. So let's mix it up. And what you're trying to achieve is the consistency of a snowball, just like that. Smooth, level, flat. Everything looks good. We'll let this set up, and tomorrow come in and waterproof this shower pan, curb, seams, penetrations, niche, you name it. So, here we go.